Guys, October 31st, 2023. This one I got a call for a shower that's leaking down to the first floor. So I told him it might be something in the shower valve or maybe the drain. Or before we start ripping the ceiling apart, we'll see if we can figure out what's going on upstairs. Hopefully, something simple. We start ripping and tearing the ceiling down. Hopefully it don't turn into a real shit show, Mama. Oh, Miss Molly. Let's hope it don't turn into a shit show, Miss Molly. Oh. Let's hope. High maintenance, Miss Molly. High maintenance. I don't think that's it. Could be this thing. Hopefully it's not this drain thing that's the problem. I sure hope not. I think it's that shower. The diverter on the bottom probably. Most likely. I bet money on it. Hopefully it comes off there. Betcha. She's a dripper. Shit. Handle's not even on there, right? Some dum-dum put it on there. Doesn't even have a flipping device in there. Look at it, it's missing the flipping. Yeah, this thing's a little cattywampus. I bet you the flipping tile's just all tiled to shit. Didn't even do the tile right. It's kind of queer. It's going an angle down. See if we can get this thing to work, this guy. Got the thing in on. Can't even see it. Somebody hacked this thing up big time. Look at it. Got the flipping plate in upside down. What the hell? Looks like they got the valve in upside down or something. Wow. All I can say is flipping wow. How can you get to that? I'll have to try to cut that down or something with a sawzall or something. I don't know. Fucking guy's got it in upside down, a dummy. How am I gonna get to it? I don't know. Maybe get my saws on and cut it, I guess. Fucking dumb. There's a retainer in there that's supposed to be in there to hold it from, in place, but the guy put it in upside down. So there's a diverter in there. It's down under this. See this plastic? Yeah. I'm gonna have to try to cut a V into that to get out so I can get to the piece. He's got this thing in upside down. What's on the other side of this wall?
Here, you can...
Is there a closet?
No, it's actually... This right here.
All right, well, let me see if, hopefully I can cut it and get the piece out of there. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do, okay?
Okay.
I don't know if you can see what I'm saying, but
yeah, I see the plastic piece and
it's in upside down
Yeah.
because you see the top's got a groove in it. That's what's supposed to be on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
And then the piping's on the other side, so I should be all right if I can get in there and cut it, hopefully.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna try to do. If I can. I don't know. What a shit show, huh? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. He's a flippin' shit show, Mo. Flippin' shit show. Looking nutty. Looking nutty. I can get that piece out of there before I can. Okay, fucking shit. That's some of the stuff I do. All the stuff I do to save people money, it's ridiculous. Alright. Hopefully that's it. Whoa, what we got? We're gonna make sure we turn this thing so it doesn't spray me. I don't see it leaking from there. Definitely probably in the drain somewhere. Could be this pan's leaking. It's not leaking from there. Be in the ceiling somewhere. Put that back together, it's not leaking from there. It's gotta be the drain piping under this thing. Either that or this pan's leaking. Leaking right there. I'm gonna open up that ceiling. I'm going in.
Well, I mean, the shower door should have been closed, so...
You got any company here?
No.
Well, we tried to be as wimpy as possible, but unfortunately, it's gotta come down. Yup, Latin plaster, son of a gun. See it? You wanna take a look? I mean, that's an old ceiling up there, see it?
Yeah.
That's all gotta come down.
Okay.
Unbelievable. Yeah, I don't see it. That's where the leak was, right? It's all wet. Let's see it. Let's try that. Here. On the other side of this thing, there's a closet or something. That's it. I'll have to measure from there over. There's a stairwell right here. Oh, it can't be. It's right against that wall. You can see it's wet right there too. You see it's wet right there. You see that spot? You can see it's wet right there. I'm gonna measure from here over and we'll see where we're at.
Okay.
So from 3 feet to 3/8. That's right in that area in the back there. Oh, it's leaking. Alright, so 3 feet. 3 feet is where that
That mark is.
and then 4/8 is right to the edge of this. So it's right in that corner there that it's leaking. Downstairs. Against the wall. So unfortunately this is one of them poor jobs. It's the shower. At least you know what it is.
Yeah.
Right? This is gonna have to all be ripped out and redone.
Okay.
You know, either put a fiberglass pan in or something, or something's
We're
gonna
do
have.
it. Let's do.
Something's
we gotta do it right.
something's gonna have to be done, but just I was kind of hoping it was just a valve, but it's not. So. Alright guys, just left that job and you're gonna need a new shower up there. That's one of them poured shower bases. And the thing's leaking in the wall area and what a flippin' mess. So it needs a new shower. I ripped the old one out, time for a remodel. So I told him it's not something I'd want to do. It's just too much. I'm only one guy. It's just me and the dog, you know. Kind of pick and choose what I want to do, and gotta call someone that does bathroom remodels. I mean, it's good money in that, but that's not really what I do. So I'm set up for repairs, and I tried to fix it for the guy, but it was a no-go. It was one of those worst-case scenario for the guy. Open up the flipping ceiling and look up there and the flipping pan's all leaking. So at least he knows where he stands. He just bought the house a couple of months ago. So he's not a happy camper. I mean, what are you gonna do? He's not his only shower. He got another shower he can use in the meantime, and get it done, mama. Get it rip and tear and get it done. I was kind of hoping he would pull the ceiling down, but he didn't want to. I had to do it. Flipping shit everywhere. Crazy, Molly. Flipping coughing for a week now.